Welcome back to the channel. In this guide, we're going to go over how to replace a seized caliper, rebuild it, and replace the rotors and pads as well.
Pump out the fluid from the brake reservoir or block it off.
Remove the hard line. Cut the end off of a common nail to get the perfect punch to punch your pad pins out of your caliper. Man, that took me a long time to say. If your car didn't have a seized caliper, the next step for you would just be removing these pads. Since this is seized up, we're gonna have to take the whole thing off. We'll be doing this job on all four corners of the car, but this side here is the worst, so I'm gonna make this the example. That was awesome. Once they're broken off, they should unscrew relatively easily. By looking at all of these different parts, you can tell that the caliper has seen better days. There's rust, the rings are coming off, the dust boots are cracked and worn and literally peeling. So we're going to go through replacing all of these components and diagnosing what actually went wrong in the next video.